Welcome to
Straight out of Osaka.
My name is Yumi, not Yami. Today, I'm gonna make chirashi sushi. Chirashi means scattered, so you can decorate with ingredients mixed inside or on top of the rice. I will show you an easy and colorful one today. Okay, let's get started. For the seafood, you can choose any of your favorites from fish to shellfish as long as it's sashimi grade. The sushi rice will be mixed with shiso and toasted sesame seeds. The eggs, cucumber, and seafood will all be the toppings today. First, cut the shiso. I layer and roll them before chopping them as thinly as possible. I love shiso, so that's why I'm using a lot. If you can't get it, you can skip this bit. Now making sushi vinegar. Pour the vinegar, sugar, and salt. I have 3 cups of rice today, so the amount of vinegar will depend on how much rice you cook. And while the rice is hot, pour the sushi vinegar into the rice. Mix vertically in a cutting motion. Gently mix the rice without crushing the grains. Cool it down with a fan to room temperature. Okay, have a taste. Good. Now add shredded shiso and toasted sesame seed in the rice and mix. Cover with a damp cloth to prevent the rice from drying. Set aside. Onto the prawns. First, remove the head and get a toothpick to remove the veins. Find the second segment from the head and stab through the back. Gently break the shell and slide out the vein. Put the prawns in boiling water and boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Set aside to cool. Onto the shredded egg. Crack eggs into a bowl and mix well. Add sugar and salt. On a medium heat fry pan, drizzle some oil. Use a bit of paper towel to spread evenly. Pour a small amount of egg mixture to create a thin layer. I did mine in 3 parts. Cook until the layer is not runny. Poke around the edges to separate from pan. When it's ready, quickly pick it up and flip. Cook it aside for a few seconds and remove. Repeat for the rest of the mixture. Set them aside. Peel cucumber in stripes like so. Cut in half and slice thinly. Peel the prawn shells and cut them into small pieces. Layer the eggs and cut in half. Roll it and cut as thinly as possible. Place them onto a plate and fluff them up. Cut scallops into smaller pieces. Cut salmon into smaller pieces. Now we are ready to decorate. I use a traditional Japanese bowl called sushioke, but of course you can use any serving bowl you like. Fill the bottom of the bowl with rice. Then scatter the shredded egg. Pop in your seafood. Place slices of cucumber in between. Place ikura with the cucumber. Pretty much done. This is optional. My daughter got me some finger limes, so I will add as an extra topping. Look how pretty!
ただきます。
Chirashi sushi is quite easy to make, so please try it at home. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!